बहला दिया जाता है अक्सर रसायनों में, मुझे बहला दिया जाता है अक्सर झूठे वादों में। मैं अक्सर हार जाता हूँ एक ही दाँव में, मैं भारत हूँ बसता हूँ गाँव में। Traditionally, India is predominantly rural country, and as Mahatma Gandhi said that real India all belongs to villages. And there are in nowadays there are many facilities that are provided by government in villages, just like free education for poor people, for poor background students who are unable to pay fees in a very high and reputed colleges. And there are also many hospitals in villages. There the treatments are free of cost, and also
Of hospital and tell me a name of school.
there are so many schools in villages such as Prathmik Shiksha Kendra, and there are so many hospitals and clinic centers known as Prathmik Upchar Kendra or Prathmik Prathmik Chikitsa Kendra. They are
Provided higher education, ma'am. How can you say that village is provided?
how you can say that there are so many in present time there are so many degree colleges and inter colleges in villages are also available.
The college's length in 100 kilometer, 100 kilometer, then they will go
No,
there.
it's not true.
No,
In
that-
present
but
time,
not a best higher education provided in every colleges.
no,
They will come in 30 kg kilometer go there, then
this is not
then
true in present time.
he take a good education.
No, this is not true because in present time there are many government schools are available. Many government.
But they are not provide a good teacher.
No, this is not true
Every
because
teacher has a race time, and they will not come in time. They will not come in time. Every student are uh, more every student are more playing some school.
but nowadays
Exactly, right. Very good.
but nowadays but nowadays but nowadays but nowadays government take action about that because
But SN is not working in
No,
school.
how you
But
can-
SN is
how
not
you can
working.
say that? Because many government teachers are well qualified and well trained because
How can you say that? I agree with, but they are educated. They are much that educated, but they are not provide not
how you can
not
say
provide.
that how you can say that our famous
I see that, ma'am. I see that every village. I saw that every villages school, like a
there are
primary
many freedom
school.
fighters of India
Every-
who belongs to villages. They are APJ Abdul Kalam,
But-
known as the missile man of
but-
India, and he launched the first missile
Like a
of
Subhash
India
Chandra-
by the
like-
bicycle,
like
and
a-
he also
Listen
belongs
to
to
me,
a
ma'am.
village. And there
Like
are many,
Subhash Chandra Bose is live in village, but they are going to take foreign country to take education.
That every freedom fighter belongs to the village. I wanna ask you a question. Why? But I accept that not every, but maximum of the freedom fighters belongs to the village. But I think that you should also notice that every freedom fighter studied abroad in big cities. Why they go to the big cities? Why for their studies? For good education quality. In village, you will not get good education quality.
now you don't see in present time because in present time there are also many facilities are available in villages, and there are many schemes launched by government to improve the villages.
But we should always go for the best, and I think that nowadays I accept that villages are becoming best, growing, but I think that we should always go for best, and nowadays cities are best because in cities you will get best resources, best
Also, you
coaching,
see
best
the drawback
teachers.
of this institute. There are बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा लगता है they needs much money for their admission, but in villages there are many schemes launched by government. There the education are free for poor peoples, for poor background students.
Wait, first of all, I want to tell you that education is not only. First of all, I want to say that education is not only free for village people. It is free for every people who lives in India. And one more thing is every yojana which is made by the government, it is not only applicable for the village people, it is applicable for every people who live in India, and everybody can take benefit from the yojanas, different yojanas which is
City
provided.
life is a very costly life, and poor, any poor person not survive there,
How can you say that?
because there are
Give me
many.
example.
What?
How can you say that? Please give me example.
For example, just like lots of cost of vegetables very high in cities area, lots of room rents very high, and lots of
Government are also provide for say, in city area many hostels and many
but there are
many low cost of foods.
there are available very less amount,
Yeah, they
but
are
city is very cities.
cities in city government are also appreciated facility.
But in city if you live in city, you can pay every step money. For example, if you drink fresh water, you can pay money and purchase water. If you live in a house, you can pay rent. And if you wanna study in a very good institute, you also pay a
How
very
can you say that? कि
high
I
fees.
pay high cost of
Because in private schools
university
and
education.
colleges, their fees is very high as compared to government
Government
schools.
government are all facilities scholarship facilities.
They are the very strong person in the comparison of the city person, because in the city person they are going in the gym, but the person who is living in the village, they are working in their field and they are growing their corn in their field, and on the basis of that they are getting the fresh food. But in the city you will see that many of the person they are purchasing their foods from the market that is not fresh,
Not satisfied
working
your
in the
answer,
field.
sir. I'm not satisfied because every city person is join the yoga classes and get up early
Every person.
I'm early in 15 a.m. I'm
By
early.
and large, for your
So how you can say that ki city villager is not compared to village?
you are saying about the yoga, many person they are joined the yoga classes in the city.
Yes.
By
No, sir.
then-
You can take a yoga in home.
yes.
Huh.
So, you're
Okay,
according to you.
You cannot yoga and gym. So you can
Okay,
watch
but-
YouTube channel. You can watch YouTube channel. They provide all facilities.
Actually,
and they you learn
I'm
yoga
not
and gym.
actually I'm not talking about the yoga. And if you are talking about the yoga, then I'm telling you that.
You are talking about a village people is a hard working person.
Yes.
Okay. So यही मैं कहना चाहती हूँ. I want to say that city people is very hard working.
How?
How they are early in the morning for 4 o'clock, and they will go into job and 8 a.m. They will come back to home 6 o'clock. Every city people hard working in job, like many facility, they are not working in job. So how many?
Tell me
can
one
you-
thing. What is the primary things for living in for a person?
And after that he ready for job, and they go for job, and then after that he come back home. Then he how can you say that city person are not hard working? If we talk about village
But
people,
ma'am,
many people are come from village, and they find job, they find any opportunity to get job, and they in city they village people find many jobs, and they earn money.